Hello everybody, this is Dr. Rupali. I am working as reader in the Department of Public Health Dentistry of KLEBK Institute of Dental Sciences, Belagavi. Today I would like to tell you about corona and dental treatments. You might be aware by this time that most of the dental treatments which were available earlier are no longer available now. And we have very restricted or limited dental treatments which are available. According to the guidelines given by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, we have to treat patients who have either emergency conditions or who require urgent dental care. So emergency is any condition in which because of the dental problems there is life-threatening situation for the patient may end up losing his life. And urgent dental care is a condition where patient has severe pain and we need to attend to the patient at the earliest. So there are few conditions which come into these categories. First and foremost, if there is a tooth decay because of which there is pus or abscess collection in the oral cavity, the patient may have huge swelling. This we call it as dental abscess, or sometimes when it is more severe we call it as Ludwig's angina. So this is a life-threatening situation. Apart from this, patient may have some uncontrolled bleeding, or patient may have pain, severe pain due to any reasons present in the oral cavity. Or patient may have met with some road traffic accident due to which there is fracture either of tooth or of facial bones. So these are all the conditions for which treatment will be available at the dental clinics. Now there are few things which you can do at home to prevent tooth problem and improve health of your teeth as well as gums. First and foremost is to take a balanced diet. See that your diet contains a lot of green leafy vegetables and fresh fruits. Try to restrict your sweets and chocolates intake. Whenever you eat anything which is sticky, which gets stuck to your teeth, immediately rinse your mouth with plain water. If you keep your tooth clean, it will never decay. And you need to brush at least twice in a day, once in the morning and once at night. Use a soft toothbrush and a fluoridated toothpaste. So all the like Colgate, Pepsodent, all these brands contain fluoride. So you can use any of these toothpaste. And when you are brushing, you take care to see that for the front teeth, you need to brush in vertical direction. So go from up to down, up and down like this. And for the behind teeth, molars, you give circular strokes like this. And for the inner part, which we call it as lingual surfaces, you hold your brush vertically and brush it in this fashion, covering all the inner surfaces. And for your molar teeth or posterior teeth, hold your brush in this way and clean these surfaces. Now these are the surfaces where your food will get stuck and the tooth is more prone to get decay at these places. So try to keep all these areas very clean. Now all those who are into the habit of tobacco and gutka chewing, you need to make sure that you don't chew tobacco and spit it all in the public places, because by spitting in the public places you are increasing the risk of spread of the coronavirus. So please do take care of these things. Please follow these guidelines and you will have healthy teeth, healthy gums. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.